Types of intellectual property licenses. Title: Types of intellectual property licenses. Introduction. Intellectual property, IP, refers to creations of the mind, including inventions, innovations, and original works of art, literature, or symbols. In this article, we will explore the various types of intellectual property licenses and their role in safeguarding and promoting creativity and innovation. 1. Copyright licenses. One of the most common types of intellectual property licenses is the copyright license. Copyright grants exclusive rights to original works of authorship, such as books, music, software, graphics, and more. However, copyright holders often grant licenses to others, allowing them to use their copyrighted material under specific conditions. These licenses can range from simple agreements granting permission for limited use, such as reproduction or distribution, to comprehensive licenses for broad exploitation. 2. Patent licenses. Patents protect inventions and grant exclusive rights to the inventors, preventing others from making, using, or selling their inventions without permission. Patent licensing allows patent holders to monetize their inventions by giving others the right to use the patented technology in exchange for royalties or other financial arrangements. Patent licenses can be exclusive, granting rights to a single licensee, or non-exclusive, allowing multiple licensees to utilize the patented technology. 3. Trademark licenses. Trademarks are symbols, names, logos, or phrases used to identify and distinguish goods or services in the marketplace. Trademark licensing permits others to use a trademark while maintaining the ownership and control in the hands of the trademark holder. These licenses can be granted for various purposes, such as manufacturing and distributing products bearing the licensed trademark, or providing services associated with the trademark. It is essential for trademark owners to carefully control their licenses to maintain the quality and reputation of their brand. 4. Trade secret licenses. Trade secrets are valuable, confidential information that offers a competitive advantage to businesses. Trade secrets can include customer lists, manufacturing processes, or formulas. Licensing trade secrets allows the owner to share this valuable information with others while ensuring confidentiality and restrictions on its use. Trade secret licenses are typically customized agreements that outline terms, limitations, and obligations for both parties involved. 5. Software licenses. Software licenses govern the use and distribution of computer software. There are various types of software licenses, including proprietary licenses, open source licenses, and freeware licenses. Proprietary licenses allow software publishers to control how their software is used, distributed, and modified. Open source licenses grant users the freedom to modify and distribute the software while ensuring that any derived work remains open source. Freeware licenses permit users to use the software without paying any fee. 6. Franchise licenses. Franchising is a business model that allows individuals or entities to operate a business under an established brand name and system. Franchise licenses grant the right to operate a franchise business and utilize the franchisor's intellectual property, including trademarks, trade secrets, and business methods. These licenses provide individuals with the opportunity to start their own business with the support of a recognized brand and established operational guidelines. 7. Joint venture licenses. Joint ventures involve two or more parties collaborating on a specific project or business venture. Intellectual property licenses play a crucial role in joint ventures, as they allow the parties involved to share and utilize their intellectual property within the scope of a collaboration. These licenses determine how the intellectual property will be used, developed, and protected during the joint venture. Clear agreements are essential to avoid any disputes or conflicts regarding intellectual property ownership and usage. 8. Public domain licenses. While not a type of intellectual property license per se, it is important to mention the concept of public domain. Works that are in the public domain are not subject to intellectual property rights, and anyone can use, copy, modify, or distribute them without permission or payment. Public domain licenses can be used to formally dedicate works to the public domain, clarifying their status and allowing others to freely use and build upon them. These licenses ensure that the work remains accessible to the public and encourages further creativity and innovation. 9. Creative Commons licenses. Creative Commons licenses provide a flexible framework for creators to easily share their works with others while still maintaining some control over how they are used. These licenses allow creators to choose the permissions they want to grant to others, such as the ability to use, modify, or distribute their work. Creative Commons licenses provide a balance between promoting collaboration and protecting the rights of the creators. They have become particularly popular in the digital age, where sharing and remixing of content is common. 10. Design patent licenses. Design patents protect the ornamental design of a functional item, such as the shape of a product or its surface decorations. Design patent licenses grant others the right to use the patented design in their own products, subject to specific conditions and restrictions. These licenses allow businesses to incorporate attractive and unique designs into their products, enhancing their appeal in the marketplace. Design patent licensing can be an effective strategy for monetizing design innovation and establishing a distinctive brand identity. 11. Plant breeders' rights licenses. Plant breeders' rights, PBR, protect new varieties of plants that are distinct, uniform, and stable. PBR licenses permit others to use and propagate the protected plant variety for breeding and commercial purposes under specific conditions. These licenses provide a legal framework for plant breeders to share their innovative varieties while ensuring their continued protection and control over commercial uses. Plant breeders' rights licenses are particularly important in the agricultural and horticultural industries, where new plant varieties drive improvements and innovation. 12. Integrated circuit topography licenses.